Is there any CW quota in St. Stephen's? Is there any ECA quota in St. Stephen's? So many questions have been asked recently on my channel. So that's why I thought I should create a video related to that. Actually, otherwise also I have been uploading some videos related to St. Stephen's because many students were curious to know about so many things. So if you haven't watched those videos, just go and check them also. So now let us talk about this quota thing in St. Stephen's. So if we talk about this CW quota, or you can say ECA quota, or caste reservations and all these things. So let me clarify that in two colleges, or you can say there may be some more also, like these colleges like St. Stephen's and Khalsa College, there is 50% reservation for minority classes. Now you must be wondering which are those minority classes. For St. Stephen's, that is a Christian minority college. So there the reservation is for Christian class. Like if you belong to Christian, if you are a Christian and you want to get admission in St. Stephen's, there are high chances that you will get admission because there are 50% seats, because 50% seats are reserved there for Christians. So that is one thing. Same is the case with Khalsa College. There 50% seats are reserved for Sikh minorities, right? So this thing you should know. Apart from that, EWS quota, as by the guidelines of UGC, that is available in St. Stephen's, no doubt, and because that is mandatory for all the colleges to follow. That rule has been given by UGC, so they all have to follow it. Apart from that, if we talk about caste reservations, like for SC and ST also there is some reservation, but at St. Stephen's they don't provide any reservation for OBC quota. OBC caste, there is no reservation at St. Stephen's, so be careful. After that, if we talk about CW quota, so actually there is no CW quota at St. Stephen's, but there are 3 seats reserved for the children of martyrs in the war. Means if there are if someone is from the family of a martyr means someone who died in the war. If you are their child or widow, then you can get admission. Only 3 seats are reserved in St. Stephen's. So that is the thing. And if we talk about ECA quota, as such ECA quota is also not available in St. Stephen's. Like most of the colleges in Delhi University, they offer this ECA quota, like on the behalf of, you can say on the, they provide you admission on the basis of your certificates in extracurricular activities. So formally there is no quota for ECA in St. Stephen's. But if we talk about extracurricular activities, they give them a lot of weightage. Means if you have been involved in extracurricular activities in your 12th standard or in other classes and you have so many achievements and if you have so many certificates, you will be given preference. Because St. Stephen's always values such candidates who have been very active in extracurricular activities also. So formally there is no ECA quota, but if you will mention that you have participated in these things, they may give you some weightage, right? So you may get benefit of that, but not formally. That you all will have to prove in your interview and in your form. If there is anything asked, you can fill that over there and you can tell everything about your achievements in your interview to impress. Hope I have clarified all your doubts related to this quota in St. Stephen's College. So after this, I think you must be your doubts must be clarified. So give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Kingdom of Learning, and please share this video with others.